How to delete Roblox account on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Roblox account on mobile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside this pop-up section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, just tap on privacy and content restriction. And with that, in this section, what you can do is you can just tap on the option that says account deactivation or deletion in this page. And once you tap on it, on the next page you'll see two options: deactivate account or initiate account deletion. So here with that, if you want to delete account, then you can just tap on initiate and confirm your choices again when prompted. And just note that once you delete your account, it cannot be removed. And here, after deletion, you lose access forever and you need to create a new account if you want to use Roblox again. And that's it. That's how you can delete Roblox account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.